In today's video, the exact plan, how you're going to lose fat, build muscle, and be happy. Hey guys, what's going on? This is Paul Ravella from ProPhysique.com. I got a question for you guys. I want to start something today. Who here is interested in doing a before and after transformation? I talked about this a while back, and so we've been working on it. Me and my digital guy have put in a lot of work on doing a 90-day transformation challenge. The question I have is, when should I start it? Now, I wanted to have it started already, but I feel like it would be better saved for when we can get back into doing and being normal, right? Like as in going to a gym or being more social. I don't want to wait too long, put a lot of work into this thing. So you guys tell me, when should we start a 90-day transformation challenge? Now, today's video is Monday's video, and for that reason, I want to talk about a plan for you guys. I want to set up a plan for you to follow along right now with some accountability in the comment section right now. So we're gonna start today with a few things, and all of it's free, okay? Because right now, a lot of us have maybe a little extra time, not a little extra money. First, we're gonna talk about like nutrition and cardio. Then we're gonna talk about some training. Then I'm gonna talk about something I've been doing at home that I wanna help you guys get started on because I'm already noticing a benefit. First and foremost, nutrition and training. I know what you're thinking, how can that be free? Well, I'm gonna give you a job to do. We're gonna check back in next Monday after you've done that. For 1 week, and 1 week only, I want you to track everything you eat. Now, I don't care how you do it. I don't care if you pull out pen and paper, Excel spreadsheet, if you download an app, My Net Diary, MyFitnessPal, My Macros Plus, whatever it might be. I want everyone to track their calories for a week because everyone keeps asking me, how many calories do I need to eat to lose weight, gain weight, build muscle? That answer cannot be given until you have some accountability. And you're gonna tell me next week on Monday's video, be accountable, don't change what you're doing. This is exactly what I do with my clients. The next thing we're gonna do is I want you to go to my website and download my beginner's guide to training. It's got a plan for workouts, it's got a plan for cardio, it's got a plan for nutrition, okay? It's a free guide on how to be a beginner and get started. And I know what you're thinking, Paul, how can I get started on a workout guide if I have to train at home? Well, damn if I didn't think of that too. One of my coaches, Danny Kirschka, wrote up an amazing at-home training program. Now, I've been doing this for my clients, week by week, but she wrote one for a lot of people to use. And so I want you to go download her free at-home workout guide and replace the workouts in the free beginner's guide to training, okay? So there's 2 steps. We've taken your nutrition, your training, your cardio, and really gotten started. And really what I want to do right now is set up the rest of this year for you to be successful in losing body fat, in building muscle, and getting happy. So what are the keys to doing that? Well, the key to losing body fat is first you got to be accountable. You got to know what you're taking in. Don't do any of these stupid crash diets where you just end up consuming a ridiculously low amount of calories that's not sustainable. No, let's start being accountable with our diet. And you're going to learn a lot about things as we go. Next Monday, the video is going to be about you guys, okay? So we're going to track our calories for a week. We're also going to track our activity, right? You got a watch, you got some kind of a Fitbit. You can pay attention to how many steps you're getting in a day. And for most of us, getting outside and walking is certainly something we can do right now. Hopefully as the weather's getting better around the country, around the world, we can get outside and start walking, okay? The next step is doing some form of exercise. Start this home workout program that I'm providing you guys for free. And so what's next? Well, next is something that I've been doing for a couple weeks now. I want to go over something that I started doing recently. And it's something that I've been thinking about doing for quite a few years. I've always known that there was this part of me that wanted to get involved in yoga, yet I could never kind of commit to going to a yoga studio or doing it at the gym. Well, finally something came along. This company, Skill Yoga, reached out to me. They said, would you be interested in trying our app for free? Of course, absolutely. So, and I want to take you guys through it, show you exactly what it does and why I'm loving it. An app for yoga. I was skeptical, okay? I wasn't really sure that I was gonna feel like I was getting as much out of it as if I had a teacher. However, being able to do it at home on my own schedule and own pace, what I've found I can do is I can actually stop the video, kind of correct myself, and not have to move forward, not feel the pressure of others around me, and work on things in the privacy of my own gym. So what I'll do is I'll put the video on right in front of me and I'll go through the poses. And what I've been able to do actually is repeat the same lesson a couple times to make sure that I'm mastering it, that I feel comfortable with it. And so this has really got me excited about doing yoga. I do it on my own time at my own house. and I feel like I'm mastering it with a yogi right there in my gym. Now, Skill Yoga gave me a code for you guys to use for a free 30-day trial. That's right, 30 days. The cool thing about Skill Yoga is it's not a one style of yoga. You actually go through and set up how you want your yoga to perform, what you're looking to get out of it. Now, I wanted my yoga to be about flexibility and athleticism. It was specific to me as a beginner, but also specific to me in that the things that I want to do outside of yoga, it's going to be supported by that. And I would like to know from you guys, who here is using yoga? Who here has been doing yoga for a while and gotten some benefits from it? I'll say this. It is way more difficult than I thought it would be. I think I always knew it was going to be difficult, but I'm not the most flexible person. And I've realized that I have a long way to go to even be comfortable doing yoga at all. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to improving my flexibility, my stability, and maybe getting into some even cooler yoga style moves. But for now, I'm just trying to do the basics. All right, guys, enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.